Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into this week's video on the Spark Your Speaking channel. Today we are going to talk about the one thing everyone needs to know to ace their public speaking. I'm going to give you a little pep talk and some food for thought today. My name is Kathy Lee and I'm your public speaking coach. I've been actively public speaking and presenting on TV and in front of hundreds of people in person for more than a decade. But if you met me like 20 years ago, I don't think anyone would have guessed that this is the career I would end up pursuing and thriving in. And the reason is because I was such a shy kid, like so painfully shy. I could not raise my hand in class to answer questions. If the teacher called my name to speak, I'd freeze and my cheeks would get flushed and I would stammer and really just want to sink into a hole. But fast forward to today, and here I am, not only a highly sought out MC for events and highly sought out for keynote speaking, but I'm also teaching and coaching students around the world how to excel at public speaking. So what is the big takeaway? And what is the one thing that I think everyone needs to know to ace their public speaking is that anyone can do it, right? Yes. Anyone can be an amazing public speaker. And I'm telling you this based on my own experience and also seeing my students around the world improve by leaps and bounds. We were all born to speak and use our voices. The only thing is that many of us were not taught how to speak well, how to command and captivate an audience. Unless you were part of the debate club in school, where else would there have been an opportunity for you to learn? In my case, my career as a TV anchor and reporter is what thrust me into the public speaking realm. My job depended on my ability to public speak, and the opportunities I got when I was on TV eventually opened the door to public speaking and emceeing events. For me, it was necessary as part of my job, and then all that flourished into a very successful speaking career. For others, perhaps you need to seek out the opportunity to learn how to public speak or practice public speaking. So for anyone tuning into today's video or have seen and learned from my other videos, you are doing exactly that. You're seeking out the opportunity to learn, and that is a great step towards progressing on your public speaking journey. That dedication and commitment you have right now to just get started is more than what most people will do, so you should be proud of yourself. Now that you've taken that step, just remember that you can also succeed at this. I wholeheartedly believe in you. I have no doubts at all. Like I said, we were all meant to public speak. That is what our voices are for. And now that you've committed to learning, it's like many skills out there. If you put in the work, have patience, and commit to your practice, you can excel at this as well. Now, there are skills out there that not everyone can do. I mean, I hate to say that there are things that are impossible, but truthfully, yes, there are some unattainable skills depending on the person. For instance, if I wanted to play professional basketball, I'm unsure how a 5'4" person like myself would excel in that sport, when most of the women who are scouted for teams are at least 6 feet, if not taller. So my height is a limitation for this skill, and it's something I can't control. So even if I'm the best 5'4" player in the world, I'm sure the chances that someone much taller than me would trump me for a spot, and that likelihood would be very high. And I'm not trying to be cynical here, but in this case, I would 100% just accept the fact that this is one skill I probably could not go as far as I'd like to. But when it comes to public speaking, physical attributes like height aren't a factor. You don't have to worry about that. The equipment you need, you are already born with, and you can hone that equipment to get better. You can work on making your voice quality better. You can work on better delivery. You can work on overcoming fear of public speaking. You can work on nonverbal cues like body language, posture, and eye contact. All the skills that you were taught, you can keep at it consistently, and you will definitely see improvement. To be honest, that's why I decided to start coaching students public speaking, because I am so optimistic and hopeful that almost anyone who decides to pursue the skill will improve. And if they can master the skill, they can open so many other doors in their life, whether that's their personal or in their careers. People have become so successful in their lives because they've dedicated their time to hone their public speaking skills. And I know that the same can be done for you. So remember, when it comes to public speaking, the one thing everyone needs to know to ace it is that anyone can learn this skill. and improve. Well, that's all for today, everyone. Remember to join our public speaking community by hitting the subscribe button below and get weekly public speaking and training videos that are all free. If you like this video and found it helpful, remember to hit the like button and share it so that other people can learn. And if you have any questions or topic ideas, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you would like to learn more about the other public speaking programs that I offer, head to my website, sparkyourspeaking.com. See you next week.